Hey there, Shipmate Squad. Welcome back for another exciting episode. Today we're going to be talking about something that can really help to grow your sales and your business, and that is business pricing. I'm going to tell you all about it and how it can help you. So guys, if you've been selling online for a while now, you've probably noticed there's a thing called business pricing on Amazon, and some other websites have it as well, although they call it different things. I'm going to tell you today about business pricing and how it can really help your business to stand out from others online. Business pricing allows businesses to get a separate price from you that's different than normal retail consumers. This is great because there's a lot of benefits to selling to businesses. One of the biggest things about selling to businesses is they're often repeat customers. If you're selling an item that, is disposable, like let's say plastic shopping bags or trash bags or paper or, something that they're going to order more than once, businesses are very loyal customers. A lot of times they'll come back to you as their preferred source for that particular item. So it's really great to get out there, set a lower price for businesses, and try to capture that market share. Because once you have them, you have them. They're going to come back again and again. Another reason why you want to be setting a business price is businesses buy a lot. A lot of times, businesses don't just buy quantity of one. They don't buy quantity of two. Sometimes they'll buy a whole pallet. And this is great because, as we talked about in previous episodes, combining shipping is one of the ways that you can make the most money online. I can afford to lose a couple dollars per unit if I'm able to ship, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 items together in the same box or on the same pallet. And this is going to allow both me and the customer to get a better deal. So businesses often like to buy in bulk, and this is another reason why you want to be selling to businesses. Another reason you want to set a business price is Amazon prefers sellers who have business pricing. So if someone has a business account on Amazon and they're looking to buy something and you have business pricing, this helps you show up in search results. A business might also be more likely to buy from you because they see that special business pricing and it sets you apart from other sellers. So there's a lot of, reasons to do this. There's a lot of ways you can profit from it. And, I've seen other sellers on something like Shopify or whatever that have, created special incentive programs or stuff that mirrors the Amazon business price to get bonus sales to businesses on their own website. Other incentives, things you can add, whether it's a coupon code, whether it's a separate set of pricing, whether it's a separate store. There's a lot of ways you can get out here and target businesses because businesses are buying a lot of things and they're buying them often. So this is a great source of revenue. Another thing to keep in mind besides business pricing, especially on Amazon, is quantity discount. A lot of sites allow you to offer a quantity discount for people who buy in bulk. So, if a normal person wants to buy in bulk just like a business, you can set a quantity discount for them as well. So, if you're on eBay or on Amazon or on Walmart, you can maybe say, if someone buys 5 of this, 10 of this, 20 of this, I'm going to give them a break. I'm going to give them $1 off, $1.50 off, $2 off, whatever it might be. But this is another way to, bring in some of these bigger fish. So guys, this was a short one, but I really wanted to get across the importance of business pricing. And it's really easy to set up. It's super easy to set up and everybody should be doing it. I think there's even a spreadsheet upload on Amazon. So this is another tool you can add to your seller toolkit and just another way you can make yourself more profitable on Amazon. I hope you guys really liked the video and the content, and I'd really love it if you guys could take a moment to like or subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more content and bring more valuable information to you, the sellers, and the Shipmate community. We're going to continue to come at you with videos every week, and we hope you'll be here next week to see our next video.